Reggae girl Khadijah Bunny Shaw has risen 31 places in the Guardian Top Women Footballers of the Year for 2020 to number 49 in the world. The 23-year-old has risen from 80th from the 2019 list after impressing with 13 goals in 10 games for Bordeaux this season. Shaw, who received Jamaica's sixth highest honor, the Order of Distinction, in October, scored 2 goals for the Reggae Girls in the Olympic Games qualifiers, which took her tally to 42 international goals in 30 appearances. Reggae Girls head coach Hubert Busby reacted to Shaw's move.
Is a tremendous accomplishment. She continues to lead by example. What's been great to see is her consistency over the last few years, playing in arguably one of the top leagues in the world, and obviously being a leading scorer in that league has proved her worth. And obviously we're very proud of her and look forward to seeing her team finish strong this season.
The Guardian Top 100 Women Footballers list is decided on by coaches, players, and the selected football writers across the globe. Shaw is currently in the last year of a 2-year deal at Bordeaux. In January, she will have the opportunity to negotiate with other clubs, with reports in Europe claiming there is interest in Shaw in England. Football analyst Kadish Fishley believes she's ready for the English game.
Has been competitive, and her moving would help the FA with their market in Jamaica because more people would be able to view her games in England. The competition is in France is not to the level as England. So to develop her game further, she should definitely head to England.
Meanwhile, American international Crystal Dunn and Canadian international Kadisha Buchanan, who are both born to Jamaican parents, are 21st and 36th on the list. The top 10 is yet to be revealed. And the Reggae Girls have remained third in the December edition of the CONCACAF Women's Rankings. Despite being inactive since February, the Jamaicans have 3,349 points. World Cup champions, the United States, continue to lead the index with 8,344 points, while Canada is second on 5,114 points. Mexico, Trinidad and Tobago, and Costa Rica round out the top 6 in the region. The CONCACAF rankings is a separate system used from the FIFA rankings to determine seedings and points for regional matches and competitions.